make this film appropriate for convicts of all ages, we have placed the body inside of a black sack. In a real operation, the desired method of corpse concealment is totally up to you. Feel free to express yourself. Please don't ask why the bag doesn't look like it contains a real body, but trust me, it does. Only one person was harmed in the production of this film.
Because this bag is above the ground, it now has potential energy, or stored energy, which can later be converted into kinetic energy. Whoa! As I fell, the potential energy in that bag was converted into kinetic energy, or motion energy, and it fell towards the ground.
Now we throw the bag into the truck. The bag is in motion for a short time before it comes to a stop.
Newton's first law says that an object in motion tends to stay in motion. Because of this, when the car comes to a sudden stop, the bag continues flying forward. Velocity is the speed and direction of an object. When I pull this body out of the car, I'm moving it at a constant speed and in the direction west. That is the velocity of the object. Newton's second law says that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Using this formula, you can calculate the force with which I throw the body by multiplying the mass of the bag and the body by the rate at which it accelerates, speeds up. Speed is a measure of the distance an object travels over a certain amount of time. To see the speed of the bag, you take the distance it travels and divide it by how long it took to travel that distance.
Another great way of hiding a body is to bury it. But first, you need to compress it. But because each force has an equal and opposite reaction, the chair just bounces off the bag. But if I use an object with more force, but since my force is great enough, I can successfully compress the bag.
After successfully digging a hole, you have to drop the body into the hole. Once I release the bag, gravity will carry it downward all the way until it makes contact with the ground.
When jumping on the bag, my downward force is greater than the bag's upward force. Because these forces are unbalanced, I am able to compress the bag deeper into the hole.
There is one more excellent way to hide a body. The first thing you need to do is find a nice flat surface where it will not slide. Because there was little friction on that slide, it was able to easily slide down with little resistance. I need to find a spot where I can put it where there is more friction and it will stay in place.
The force gravity is exerting on the bag is equal to the neutralizing force the branch is exerting. Because these forces are balanced, the bag stays motionless.
We have now planted high-power explosives inside this body bag. The force exerted by these explosives is way too high for the body to handle, and so it explodes in all directions. Allow me to demonstrate.
Now we throw the bag in the truck. The bag is in short motion. After I throw it, the motion stays at a constant velocity.
No! We're talking about motion, not velocity.